Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Health is Well 0610. This is Gaurav Anand, Ayurvedic acupressure physiotherapist. Today I will show you a very good treatment for knee pain. Knee pain has been a very big issue nowadays. So many people suffering from knee pain worldwide. In this video, I would like to share with you a very good, very effective treatment for knee pain. In first part, I will show you a acupressure treatment, and second part, I will show you a physiotherapy treatment for knee pain. Let's get started. First point is your middle finger, middle joints. You need to stimulate this joint, middle fingers, middle joint, like this. You need to stimulate or massage this point, this area, in both middle fingers, like this. For 5 minutes each finger, like this. You need to apply pressure like this for 5 minutes. And second point is here. You need to stimulate this point. It's called lever 7 point. It's called lever 7 point. You need to stimulate this point for 5 minutes like this. If you don't have a jimmy, you can apply pressure here like this with your finger. You can stimulate like this in both sides, like this. Do this treatment twice a day for 5 minutes. You will get very good results. And second part, I will show you a very good physiotherapy treatment for knee pain. Do both treatment. You will get very good results within 5 days. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. For more information, you can call me 9892683 217. Thank you very much.